Hello and welcome to the King John Sixth Form virtual open day stroke evening. We usually have it in the evening. Thank you for clicking on the Btec Level 3 Information Technology to find out some more information. So today I'm going to go through what is involved in the qualification and hopefully answer any questions that you may have. So the title of the qualification is Btec Level 3 Extended National Certificate in Information Technology. And first of all, I'd just like to introduce you to the Key Stage 5 teaching team. So I'm Mrs. Neal, and I am Head of Department, and I teach all the way from Key Stage 3 to Key Stage 5. I actually teach ICT and computer science. There's Mrs. Bennett. Mrs. Bennett is also a Key Stage 3 to a Key Stage 5 teacher, and she also teaches ICT and computer science. And I do apologise, but you're not going to be able to see the image of Mr. Stevenson, but trust me, underneath, just at the bottom there, is an image of Mr. Stevenson, who is a Key Stage 3 to a Key Stage 5 teacher, and he teaches a combination of ICT and computer science as well. We are very welcoming, we are very supportive, and throughout your time at the sixth form, if you choose to study either ICT or computing, we will be there with you every step of the way to ensure that you reach your full potential. Okay, so the Btec is equivalent in size to one A level. Throughout the 2 years you will complete 4 units. Now 2 of these units will be internally assessed, and that is done through coursework that you will complete. And 2 units will be assessed externally, so these will be examined units. Okay, so let's have a look at this in a little bit more detail. So the Year 12 unit. So in Year 12, if you decide to take the Btec ICT course, you will be doing 2 units. Unit 2, which is creating systems to manage information. And this is the examined unit that will be taken in May of Year 12. And you will also be doing Unit 3, which is using social media and business, and this is your coursework unit for Year 12. So let's have a look at both of those units in a little bit more detail so you can really get a flavour of what you will be learning. So the Unit 2 exam, first of all, is a 5-hour exam taken over 2 days. So you may do 2 hours on the first day and then 3 hours on the second day. And it is a practical exam. So you actually take this exam using a computer. So database management system applications are widely used and supported in every single business sector you can think of. For example, even Google and Facebook and YouTube. All of these are actually based around the concept of a database system. And what will you learn within this unit? Well, you will explore the purpose and structure of a relational database, and you will design, implement and test your own database system given a scenario from the exam board. So the next unit you will study in Year 12 is Unit 3, and this is using social media in business, and this is a coursework based unit. It comprises of 2 assignments. Each assignment will be given a deadline. It is independent, so you will learn all of the content and then you will be expected to complete the assignment independently. So social media is growing in immense popularity with businesses, and it provides businesses a way of interacting with their customers through a different medium. So what will you learn? So you'll explore different social media websites and you'll consider how these are used to support businesses. You will actually design and implement your own social media campaign. So you will actually implement 3 different social media websites for a given business, and you will be required to upload daily, respond to any comments, and also at the end of that analyse how well your campaign has fared. Students find this unit really fun. So in Year 13, again, there are 2 units. Unit 1, Information Technology Systems, and this is an examined unit, and this unit you will take in the January of Year 13. And then your coursework unit is Unit 5, which is spreadsheet modelling. So again, this will be 2 assignments that you will complete independently once the content and the theory has been delivered to you. So again, let's have a look at these in a little bit more detail. So Unit 1, Information Technology Systems. IT systems are involved in almost everything we do in society and business. You will learn about different hardware and software and how these interact with different types of IT systems. You will look at the relationship between users and the IT systems, and to stretch you a little bit further, you also look at how IT systems can help businesses make those all important decisions. Unit 5 is the last unit you'll do within your course, right towards the end of Year 13. This is a coursework unit, again comprises of 2 assignments. So every organisation is constantly faced with situations that require decisions, and any good final decisions will be based on evidence looking at alternative solutions. And when they look at these solutions, they will need to know the negatives, the benefits of each solution until they finally come to their overall decision. So what you will learn, well, first of all, you're going to explore complex spreadsheets which can support businesses to make decisions, showing consequences of alternative solutions as well as the benefits. You will then design, develop and implement your own spreadsheet model. Okay, so if you would like more details of this qualification, please feel free to visit the exam board's website. So the exam board is Pearson, also known as Edexcel, but Pearson. And if you would like, just visit their website, and I've put the link there for you, and navigate to Btec Nationals Information Technology 2016. And here you will have a full specification that you can read at your own leisure, giving you all the finer details of what you will be learning. Okay, so let's have a look then at some next steps. So a BTEC qualification can lead you to university. It is worth UCAS points, and lots of universities now widely accept BTECs as part of their admissions criteria. And there are lots and lots and lots, as you can see here, of possible degrees that you can do following this course. We have many students that study Btec Ict that go on to university. Now, as well as this, we equally have students that go on to an apprenticeship. And again, here are just some examples of some apprenticeships that you can follow. Just one case study, for example, is I had a young lady who actually secured an apprenticeship studying cybersecurity at Westminster. and she is doing very, very well there. So again, we have many students that opt for the apprenticeship route, and I will say here at King John Sixth Form we have an excellent careers team who really help you start looking at your next steps from sort of the middle of year 12 and then support you all the way until you finish in year 13. Okay, so complementary subjects. So I'm often asked at the open evening, what other subjects do students take? Well, the first thing to say is the ICT complements any subject or any career path that you wish to take. But equally, I thought it'd be nice to give you a list of the most popular subjects that students tend to choose alongside information technology. So there won't be any surprises there. We have business, finance, accountancy, computing, maths and psychology. And there are more. As I say, ICT supports any subject that you wish to undertake. I'm going to go back to computing. We do have students actually that study the Btec Ict course alongside the Btec computing course. So we do have students that do that. These are students that are thinking that IT and computing is maybe where they want to go in the future. And these do complement each other very, very well. Now, people equally ask me at Sixth Form Open Evening, well, what's the difference between ICT and computing? Well, what I suggest you do is, obviously you're watching this video now, but do go on and Mrs. Bennett will be talking you through Btec computing. So I really strongly suggest that you watch both videos and then you will clearly be able to see the difference between them. Okay, so I think this is a fantastic course and you don't need to just take my word for it. We have fantastic feedback from students. Students do very well on this course, with most students receiving a grade distinction or above. So the course is assessed for a combination of exam and coursework, and for each one you will receive either a pass, a merit or a distinction. You can equally achieve a distinction star overall. As I say, our students are really happy within this course, and this is because we make them work hard, we support them, our expectations are very, very high, but equally the outcomes are very, very good. Thank you for watching. Take care.